y'all, welcome back. And for those visiting for the first time, welcome. Please feel free to look at other videos and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Today we are just simply going to unbox this mask order. I've received several questions inquiring about where I get my masks from, and I just want you all to kind of see where I get them from and the quality, what they look like. So yeah, so we're here. And I ordered my mask from giftix.in. I ordered this shipment on September 3rd, and now it's September 8th and it's already here. So that makes me super happy. These masks come from India, and lately they've been taking an extended amount of time to get here, up to 2 weeks. However, this was shipped. I received it within 5 days, and also the shipping was free. So I don't know if they still have free shipping going on now, but the shipping was free. Okay, so we are just going to unbox. All right, y'all. So don't judge me. I kind of like to use kitchen shears or scissors or whatever they're called. All right, so we are just going to open. Well, that looks like that. So with these, I noticed that you have to be very careful when opening these boxes, because sometimes they will pack them like right to the top. But I see now they've started putting like a cardboard piece under here. And getting these in 5 days is really big. I've ordered from this vendor several times, and honestly, this is the quickest that I have ever gotten my mask from them. So that makes me happy. And considering we don't know how long we will be required to wear masks in certain parts, I don't think we can have too many masks at this point. So this one. Okay. And so I ordered 3 different sizes. I think this was about, I think I ordered, because I just ordered another box from them that arrived maybe a week ago. And if you are selling masks, and once you actually start designing and selling them, they will go very quickly. And so you don't want to be in a place where you have the demand for masks, but you don't have enough available, okay? And so they kind of changed their sizes. They used to have like small, medium, large, and extra large. Now they only have small, which the smallest is pretty small. I'll show you guys like a comparison of the 3. And then they also now started including, which I got in my last order, they started including these adjusters, because they didn't include adjusters before. And I think these were on sale for maybe $1.50 each or $1.75 each. You can't, like, that's a really good price. So with free shipping, an excellent price. So you kind of get these adjusters to go along with the mask that you sell. So that's the size of the small. Then we have, and then they also include bags for you. I never use these bags, but you also get a bag included with your mask so that you can have packaging for them. So for $1.50 per mask, I think that's a pretty good amount. So $1.50 for the mask, the packaging, and the adjusters. That is awesome. Okay, and then we have the large. The large used to be their medium, but then now they have it as their large. So this is what the size of the large is. This was their old medium. And again, it comes with the same items. It comes with the adjusters, and it also comes with packaging. I don't know if you guys can see the packaging. I'm not going to take it out. And then you have, so we have the small, the large, and the extra large. So the extra large is actually pretty large. It's pretty big. This was the old large. Now this is the extra large. It was extra large even when it was a large. Okay, so this is the large, and that actually comes same things with the adjusters and with the packaging, so that you can package it if you don't want to buy additional packaging for it. Okay, so you can kind of see the size difference of the three. I do have adults that like the small, or it fits them, but the small can also be for kids. This particular company also has kids sublimation mask. Okay, so the material, I really actually like these. It's a very nice material, and of course for sublimation, the front of the mask is polyester, and it subs really well. I'm gonna show you guys the website, so I just want you to show you again. So you get the adjusters, and you also get packaging for your mask, and this is the packaging. Okay, so I think this is a pretty good deal for $1.50, $1.75. Honestly, I don't really complain much when they take a little longer, but I do try to keep them in rotation based on the amount of orders that I have. But yeah, they're pretty legit. I do order sometimes from a supplier in China. Not sure if I told you guys before, but these come from India. So I do order from a supplier in China, and the shipping is pretty quick too. But I really do like these a little bit more. The supplier in China that I use, they only have white mask, or with white trim, that have the pocket. So I didn't show you guys before, but this does have a pocket for the filter. So that's why I prefer these, because it has the black trim, and this place has several different color trims. I'm going to show you. Okay, I just want to show you guys really quick the masks that I get from China. And they are very nice masks too. I like them too. Only thing is that I'd like to have that pocket for the filter for my customers. And these are the masks that come from China. I'll open up to show you. Okay, these are the masks from China, and it has a pocket in the middle, and it does, like this, you can, it's sublimation, for sublimation mask, and it feels so much softer though than this particular mask. But I mean, I like the black trim, and they don't have the black trim with the pockets, not yet at least. They may be getting it because I keep asking. All right. I also want to show you the filters that I include with every mask. So I include a filter, one filter with each mask, and I charge Usually for masks, $12 per mask. It includes the filter. Of course, it's going to have a design on it. Okay. And these come from Amazon.com. You can get these filters in bulk on Amazon.com. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you the actual website where I ordered these from. Okay. Okay, y'all. So this is the website. It's Giftix, GIFTIX.IN. They are located in India. I have ordered from them probably over 10 times, and I have not been disappointed with them. Sometimes shipping does take a while. The most I've waited for shipping was about 2 weeks. But like I said before, I got this order within 5 days. Okay, not even 5 business days, within 5 days of me ordering it. So I ordered on Thursday, and it was here all the way from India on Tuesday, and we had a holiday. Okay, so this is the website, and they just added sublimation blanks. Also, I want you guys to see here, there is free shipping for orders over $130. So you can take advantage of that. And one of their signs, it just popped up for me. They are offering 20% off with using a code right now. Okay. So if you go on their website, be sure to look for that. It's like Spooky 20 or something to that effect. So we are going to go into the blank mask, and you want to make sure if you're doing sublimation, you want to make sure you're clicking onto the mask for sublimation. Okay, you don't want to click the one for DTG, direct to garment, vinyl, or screen. You want to make sure you're doing for sublimation. Once you click onto there, you'll get a list of all of their products. And so we have here, this is the one that I usually order, the blank sublimation face mask, 3 layers with pocket for filters, because I like the filters. And now they have the adjusters included. But as you can see, there are several different options. These are the 2 layers with filter pockets. They have different colors. They have different sizes. They also have gator mask, the blank sublimation gator mask that you can get. And that's about it. Okay. And then they do have mask for toddlers for sublimation. All right. So I just wanted to show you all this website where I actually get the mask from. So you'll order it just like regular. If you don't feel comfortable with putting in your credit card number, they do accept PayPal, so you can pay with PayPal for that added security. And yeah, this is exactly where I order my mask from most of the time. All right, y'all. So I know that was a super quick video and I didn't really show you anything crafty, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that getting these masks is very simple, especially if you want to buy in bulk. And they are pretty reasonable. You can find them very reasonable. And that's it. Be sure to look for that discount code if you are going to get these masks. Again, $130, and you can get free shipping. So if you have orders, why not? Because these sell really fast, and to be truthful, I don't even know how long we will be wearing these masks, and it seems like they're not going away anytime soon. So yeah, so I have some mask orders to do and I gotta go. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like the video and also subscribe to my channel, please. All right, thank you so much for watching.